That's it. We are not getting rid of it. It is staying right here.
We got it now, guys!
Dad, this is getting ridiculous.
No, it's mine.
Sorry, mate, is there a bus stop round here? Actually, don't worry about it, I'll get a cab.
Can we just get rid of it?
No, I'm keeping it and nothing will separate us.
Hello? Yeah, just want to order a cab, please. Sorry, what? What, 10 minutes? Haven't you got anything nearer? I don't know, I'm in someone else's house, aren't I? Hang on. Yeah, I'm by the Blizzard. Yeah, silver face underpants. Yeah, I'm waving. Oh, yeah, I can see you.
And it's always making this weird shuddering noise. I'm not keeping food in it till it's fixed.
Wait, you've been keeping food in it?
Yes, it is after all a refrigerator.
You didn't read the warranty, did you?
This appliance is for the storage of memories and emotions and under no circumstances should be used for storing food.
Seriously? A refrigerator for emotions? What else have you got? A bookshelf that alphabetizes your dreams?
No, we sold out of those last week. But don't worry about that fridge shuddering. Someone would have to use it as a lifelong emotional crutch for anything really bad to happen. The casual user should be fine.
There is nothing casual about the way Richard uses that fridge. I'm sure Richard got rid of it like I asked him to. It's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine.
Does it get tiring being wrong all the time?
Richard! Kids! Oh, in here! The fridge has gone crazy.
And it's swallowed dead!
It's not a fridge, it's a store for emotions.
Huh?
She bought it from the awesome store.
Oh.
Makes sense.
But how do we get him back?
I'm going in.
I'm not leaving this to you. None of this would have happened if you hadn't threatened to get rid of it.
Then I guess we're both going in.
Let's go get Richard.
Want more Cartoon Network? Visit cartoonnetwork.co.uk for awesome videos, activities, and free games.